and I hope I'll be conducting more such events in the future.
Thousands of believers from the Catholic churches of Shillong Archdiocese, including Nongstoin and Joai Diocese, gathered at Joai to witness the consecration of Reverend Father Ferdinand Dkhar as the new Bishop of Joai Diocese. The solemn episcopal coordination ceremony was led by Most Reverend Victor Lingdor, the Archbishop of Shillong Archdiocese, who served as the main celebrant in the Holy Eucharistic Holy Mass at Holy Spirit Parish, Umolong. The ceremony was also attended by Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and others.
I would like to gently remind you and pray for you that you may be, first, a man of humility and mercy to the people you serve. If my people who are called by name will humble themselves and pray and seek my face, then I will hear from heaven and I will forgive their sin. 2 Chronicles 7:14.
In Asian Games 2023 in Hangzhou,